Hi,
Lina,
teacher.
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well, that is good to know, Lina. Your voice sounds different. Did you use do you have a runny nose or a cough?
I'm a coat. I have a
Oh,
coat.
oh, you have a cold. And did you drink
Đang học.
medicine? Did you drink medicine?
Uh, yeah. I just use use salt water to let my
Gargle?
throat
To
let my
gargle?
throat. Um, I don't know, but it's salt water.
You don't drink it, right? You just gargle
Yeah.
it. Do you know gargle?
I don't know too. I just like this.
Súc miệng.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you just gargle it. And do you feel a lot better than yesterday?
It's a bit better.
Okay, so it is effective. Good thing, Lina. Now we will proceed to exercise to vocabulary. So we have discussed already these words, Lina, because this is just a review. So let me see if you can remember it all. The first one is moving. Moving. What is moving, Lina?
Uh,
What do you think?
uh.
Uh, what do you think? Moving.
Hmm.
We had this one when we talked about your favorite movie. It's
Page
moving.
Turner.
No, page turner is different to moving, Lina. Page turner is different to moving. Can you remember it or no?
Mhm. I can remember this. It's like an action.
No, it's not an action. It is an adjective. When you say action, that would be a verb, but in here it is an adjective, Lina. So, again, when we say moving, it is making you feel strong emotions. Like, for example, if the characters in the story, they are um they are oppressed, Lina, then you feel sad. You feel mad, okay? So
Okay.
it will cause strong emotions, especially sadness or sympathy. Okay? Then-
Di chuyển,
Uh. Oh.
Okay, so you can
Okay.
remember it now. What about hilarious?
It's
Hilarious.
funny.
Okay, yes, very good. It is very funny and it's making you laugh a lot. What about dull? Dull.
There is.
It's
Mm, I don't know, but I know this word.
Can you try to remember the meaning of dull, Lina? You know this one.
I know just in Vietnamese, but I don't know how to describe in English.
Okay. So when we say dull, it's the same as boring. Okay, wait. Dandon. Wait. Let me see if you are saying it the same way. Oh, yes, it is, Lina. Dull. So remember when we say dull, it is boring or something is not interesting. Okay, it's not interesting. What about page turner?
is go is everyone likes to watch it.
Okay. When we say page turner, it means that a book is very exciting, that it makes you want to keep reading it, okay, to keep flipping its pages. That is page turner. What about fantastic, Lina?
Uh,
Fantastic.
Fantastic is
Can you remember this word? Fantastic.
uh hmm
It is still an adjective, Lina. Fantastic. You know this one. Fantastic. It means
uh I think this is a familiar word that we talk about.
yes, we have already talked about all these words, Lina. This is
Very
a
great.
review. Okay, so when we say fantastic, it means it's very good. It is excellent, Lina. It's amazing. Okay, that is fantastic. Like Italy is a fantastic destination for foodies, which means it is an excellent choice if you are into food. Okay, now what about terrible? Terrible.
Is bad.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Something is very bad or unpleasant. It is serious, Lina. It's terrible. Now, what about gripping?
Is make everyone like to watch it.
Okay, not necessarily making everyone wants to watch it, Lina. It's just that it is holding or keeping your attention. Okay, so when you like for example, when you read it or you when you watch a certain movie, it is gripping. If it is keeping your attention, it is making you continue watching it until the end. Now, what about predictable?
Um, Predictable.
Yes, predictable. We've talked about this one yesterday.
Is we can think of the future, what will happen.
Okay, so you know, or you know what would possibly happen next. Okay, so it's predictable if it is happening in a way that you expect it to be. Like, for example, if you go to your IELTS class today and your teacher will
No,
give you
yesterday.
oh, yesterday. Oh, yes, because today is Wednesday, Lina. So you will have a math class today.
Yeah.
Okay, Lina. So, your math teacher would ask you to answer a test, a short quiz. Then that will happen. So, it is predictable. Okay, so it will happen in a way that you expect it to. Now, let us practice. Lina, tell me whether these words are positive or negative. Now, when we say moving, is it positive or negative? Moving.
Uh,
Moving, Lina, is it positive or negative?
Hmm. It's positive.
Okay, what about hilarious?
Positive.
Dull.
Positive.
Okay, page turner.
Positive.
Fantastic.
Positive.
Terrible.
Negative. Hmm.
Gripping.
Is positive.
And predictable.
Positive.
Okay, yes. And as well,
There's
being
just
predict
one negative.
when we say predictable, Lina, it could be negative as well. It depends on the situation, Lina. Okay, so now let us have exercise. Three more vocabulary. What does it mean again when we say romance?
Um,
What is romance?
um,
Romance, Lina.
uh,
You look so serious, Lina.
uh, is boys must have to do that with girls?
Boys must have to do that with girls. No,
Um,
Lina. When we say romance, it's all about love or relationship. Lina, that is the best way of describing what romance is. Okay. Now, what about horror? Horror. What about horror, Lina? Do you know horror? Yes, Lina. Are you still there, Lina? I can't hear you.
uh, it's very scary,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Yes, these are movies, Lina, that is meant to scare people. Okay, horror. Now about I'm a big
Is
fan of.
great. Is there's something we like and we are big fan means we like it and we are a fan of them.
Okay, yes, very good. Like you are probably a fan of Blackpink and Baby Monster, right? You idolized them. Okay, now what about Can't Stand, Lina? Can't stand. What does it mean when we say can't stand, Lina? We've talked about this one. All of it, Lina,
Uh,
all that we are learning now, it's just a review.
can't stand is I don't know.
Okay, so you
I
can
mean I forgot.
Okay, so now when we say can't stand, Lina, it means you dislike something. Like, for example, if you say, I can't stand rock music, it means you dislike it. Okay, you don't like it. Now, what about I'm crazy about? I'm crazy about.
Uh,
I'm crazy about, Lina. What is it?
is very is I'm uh, almost like I'm big fan of.
Okay, yes, it's just the same as I'm a big fan of Lina because it means that you really like something. Okay, so like for example, I'm crazy about Blackpink. Okay, now we also have the 1920s, the future, and another world. So now let us practice and tell me which category each word or phrase belongs in. Now, let us have romance. Where does it belong, Lina? Romance.
Uh, romantic,
Okay, that is correct. What about horror?
scary,
I'm a big fan of.
like,
Can't stand.
dislike,
Mm-hmm. I'm crazy about.
like,
The 1920s.
time,
The future.
time,
Another world. Another world, Lina.
place.
Okay, so yes, it is place. Now let us have an exercise. So in here you have to choose the correct answer to complete each sentence and read it aloud. What is your answer for one?
My favorite movie is Parasite.
Parasite. Okay, parasite. What about for two? What is your answer for two, Lina?
Uh, uh,
What is your answer for two?
uh, my why do you like rock music?
Okay, why do you like rock music? What about for three?
I'm really into jazz music.
What about for four, Lina?
Why do you like those types of book?
Five,
I don't like cooking shows.
six,
What is this about?
seven,
It's set in another world.
eight.
I highly I highly recommend watching Friends.
Very good, Lina. Now let us have exercise five. Word ordering. Okay, what is your answer for one? What is your answer for one, Lina?
Uh What type of movie do you what type of movie is it?
Okay, what about for 2?
What other musician do you like?
3.
I'm not a big fan of Beatles.
Beatles. Okay, 4.
Beatles. My favorite book is Harry Potter.
5.
It's creative and grip. It is creative and gripping.
6.
I really like reality. I really like TV reality shows.
Is it TV reality
Uh,
shows?
reality TV shows.
Okay, and 7.
Um,
7, Lina. What is the answer for 7?
uh,
It's
uh,
it's I am. What is your answer?
uh,
Is it difficult, Lina?
uh, I am a great. I am. I am watching a great drama series.
Okay, that is correct, Lina. What about for 8?
Do you watch TV a lot?
Do you watch TV a lot? Okay, yes, we can say that, Lina, or we can as well say, do you watch a lot of TV? Okay, that is it. Now, I believe it's time already, Lina, so we'll just
I
continue.
almost I almost learned math now.
Yes, so you should prepare, Lina, anyways. I'll see you again tomorrow, okay? Goodbye, Lina. Stay
Goodbye,
safe.
teacher.